In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M15, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto spell check that suggests corrections. You need to start by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to click on this section called General Management. Then click on Samsung Keyboard Settings and tap on Predictive Text under Smart Typing. Now use this switcher next to your language to activate it and go back. This way you will see Auto Spell Check appear here. Click on it and tap on this switcher to turn it on or off. If you decided to turn it on, spell check will underline misspelled words in red and suggest corrections. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!